Everyone, hope you're fine. In my today's video I will show you how you can fix the camera problem in your device Oppo A96. So if in this device, if you're having any problem related to the camera, like your camera app is not working or any other camera related issue, you can fix it by following the few steps as I will show you in this video. So before we move to the video, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Now you have to follow the steps, watch the video, and you will learn how you can fix the camera app problem in your device Oppo A96. Let's watch the video.